So here is how you can remove a Discord aka name on your account. So you want to open up Discord first, and then once you're into your Discord, you want to go to this page, and then now on the bottom right hand corner there is your profile picture. You want to click on that, and then once you're in your profile account, what you want to do is scroll down and then click on profiles. Now from here you want to click on server profiles, which is at the top right hand side. And then if you click on SolveX's server or whatever server it shows up for you, you get a list of servers that you're in. And then under SolveX's server, it doesn't have a nickname, but under Deserted Island server, it says I love your mom, and that is my nickname. So if you want to remove your nickname for that, simply click on the server, and then server nickname, it says I love your mom. Click on the X button, and then you can either change your server nickname to something else or just leave it as nothing, and then click on save. As you can see, if we go back and check it, we do not have a server nickname anymore. However, if that does not work, then what I also recommend you to do is basically go into the server that you have your nickname in, and then DM the admin or the mod to basically ban you from the server. And once they have banned you from the server, just tell them to unban you and then rejoin the server that you want to join. And then that should also resolve any nicknames that you want to remove.